And I talk loud, but the zipper talk louder. Eli walking, boasting, chest tough full of steam, talking like he wrote the script to everybody's dream, pointing fingers, making threats, calling himself a winner. But the blues don't care, no. They caught him in his zipper. Eli talk loud, with the zipper talk louder. Eli walked in boasting, chest puffed full of steam, talking like he wrote the script to everybody's dream, pointing finger, making threats, calling himself a winner. But the blues don't care, no. They caught him in his zipper, preaching from a live stream, voice all full of might, saying he can't be touched, saying he's always right. But the louder he be shouting, the tighter it gets gripper. All that tough talk folded when he met that zipper. I'm Mr. Pitiful, baby. Pitiful. All that bite, no bite. No bite. Talking big all day. All night. Dawn's got my balls in a vice. Squeeze it tight. Thought I had it handled. Not quite. Now I'm begging for mercy. Oh no. 'Cause my balls are stuck in my zipper. He talks about the courtroom like it's his favorite stage, but facts don't read his comments, and they don't obey his rage. All that flexing and threatening ain't nothing but beginner. When your ego writes checks, your pride can't deliver.